Everybody, warm welcome. Today I would like to share my knowledge on number systems with all of you. So let's begin. Starting with decimal. So decimal is first of all a base 10 system. Now what do we mean by a base 10 system? Very simple. When I say base 10 system, means it uses these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these 10 numbers are used, hence called as base 10 system. Now this is used in everyday counting, for example, like 10, let's say 22, 36, etc. All these are examples of decimals. Now coming to the next type is binary. So in binary, it is a base 2 system. It is a base 2 system. Now what do I mean by base 2 system? First of all, bi. Bi means 2. From here we can get an idea that it's a two base system. So it uses zeros and ones. Like how in decimals you had 0 to 9, here you have zeros and ones. That's it. Where you can also further understand 0 as off and 1 as on. So basically these are mainly used in computers. The application is mainly in computers. 0 is off and 1 is on. 0 off, 1 on. Next, coming to third type, which is octal. Now octal, as you might have heard of the shape octagon, right? Octagon has how many sides? It has 8 sides. That's how we can relate the octal number system is a base 8 system. So what are the numbers it's going to use? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These 8 numbers comprise of the octal number system. Coming to the fourth type, which is hexadecimal. 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 Now, it is made up of two things. One is hexa, which means 6, like hexagon, hexa, 6. And decimal, we know it is a base 10 system. Just now we saw that decimal is a base 10 system. So 6 plus 10 makes it a 16, base 16 system. Okay. So what are the numbers or alphabets is going to use? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you have A, B, C, D, E and also F. So these 16. Here 10 and here 6. This makes it up as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these 0 to 9 makes 10 and these 10, 11, 12, 15, only 16 are the hexadecimal. So I hope the basic fundamental concepts of number system is cleared. I hope you got the introduction correct. In the upcoming videos, let's move on to conversions.